Thunder and Lightning by Helen Cox Cannons. What is thunder? Thunder is the sound of lightning. You cannot see thunder, but you can hear it. Thunder can sound like a low rumble or a loud crack. What is lightning? Lightning is a bright flash of electricity in the sky. Lightning comes from a cloud. A storm with thunder or lightning is called a thunderstorm. How does lightning happen? When the sun warms water, some water becomes a gas called vapor. Vapor rises into the air. The rising water vapor cools and forms a cloud. As more vapor rises, the cloud gets bigger and bigger. Frozen raindrops inside the cloud start to bump into each other. As they bump into each other, the frozen raindrops make electricity. This electricity turns into lightning. When does lightning happen? Lightning can happen when it is warm. Lightning can happen when it rains. Types of lightning. Sometimes lightning stays in a cloud. Sometimes lightning strikes the ground. Keeping safe. Lightning can be very dangerous. Lightning often strikes high places or tall things. If you hear thunder, it means that lightning is close by. It is best to stay inside when you hear thunder. What is good about thunder and lightning? Thunder and lightning can be exciting. Thunderstorms help us see the power of weather. Did you know? Lightning is about 6 times hotter than the sun.